Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool, especially for our academic purpose. Here in this tool, you can make a comprehensive literature review. You can make a research gap, research proposal. There are plenty of options available, especially related with academic research. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important options available in this particular AI tool and how you can use that AI tool for our academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are organizing an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. If you want to know more about the best AI tools available in the market, especially for your academic writing, do register for this workshop and make this workshop a very useful one for you to make your research paper writing simple. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that, so answer this.io. So here you can see these are the dashboard of this particular tool. So in this you can see there are different options are available: ask, answer, this, chat with PDF, extract data, search papers. So here answering questions from over 200 million research papers. So here you can make a comprehensive literature reviews in seconds. Next you can make a research proposals. So here you can see that research gaps, and then also you can make research proposals. So if you are struggling to give prompt in this particular tool, so here you will be having a prompt called option called prompt helper. So it's a unique thing available in this tool. So for example, here click to select the tool. So here you can see that find a relevant studies on. So you can give your research topic after it and then write a literature review on. So you can give your topic, perform a quantitative analysis on, suggest research questions for, ask questions from PDF related to, custom search, identify gaps to in literature related to, generate and research outline, research proposal, research topic. So these are the different already built-in tools available. So if you are can't able to give a perfect prompt, so especially related with research, so you can use this. For example, I am going to give write a literature review on. So here you can see that you can type your area. For example, I am going to give DC to DC converter for battery charging. So like that I am going to give an input. So after that click on create. So write a literature review on DC to DC charging, DC to DC converter for battery charging, and then you can click enter. So you can select the citation number. So you can select minimum citations and you can give submit search. So after that, so it will send an query. So it will analyze this particular input prompt we have given. So here it will take some time to analyze the input we have given. So after that it will generate a better answer for you. So let us see how it will works out and how it will generate answer for us. So here comes our answer. So write a literature review on DC to DC converter for battery charging. So here you can see that a comprehensive review of DC to DC converter for battery charging application. You will be having introduction. So next one is DC to DC converter topologies for battery charging, buck converter, boost converter, buck boost converter, CLLC converter, and then soft switching techniques in DC to DC converter, zero voltage switching, zero current switching. So key considerations for DC to DC converter design: power rating, input and voltage ranges, switching frequency, efficiency, component selection. All the things related with that particular topic is generated here. So this one will be a fantastic detailed literature review for you. So here these are the different papers which is used for analysis of this particular literature review, and you can cite these papers in your literature review also. Automatically it is cited here. So you can take the list of the papers and you can cite this also. So all the site here it is in Chicago style. So whatever the style you want, you can select this particular paper. So and you can copy and paste the paper in your reference section of your research paper. So this is how you can use this answer this IO wisely to generate a better content for your research paper and make your research paper writing very simple and easy. So next one is chat with PDF option. So here as like you will be most of you may familiar about this chat with PDF PDF tools. So you can upload your reference paper and you can ask any questions you want related with that particular paper. So thereby it will generate a better answer for you. So next one is extract data. Again, you can do the same here. You can upload your PDF and you can get a better extraction of the data from that particular paper. So next one is search paper. So you can use it as a search engine. So you can search for research paper, access millions of research paper across various disciplines with our powerful search engine. You can use this as a search engine also to search papers. For example, I am going to give a common topic, IoT applications. So like that I am going to give. So let us see how it will works out. So and give a search. So for search you have to go for subscription option. So for free you can use up to 6 total literature reviews, 8 document uploads, line by line citation, export results, search for papers. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So for free you can use this only. So this tool, Answer This IO, is one of the unique tool as far as I have seen related with academic writing. So this one will be very helpful for you. Even the literature review made is very perfectly using this particular templates. So make use of this option in this Answer This IO. Go on and explore with this free free option with your research prompts. So or else you can use the same prompts presented in this particular tool itself and make your content, and that is you can judge your content how it is generating output for you. So if it works out well for you, so you can go for subscription option. So other than that you can use this free to generate an experience with how this Answer This IO will generate content for you. Hope this video will bring an aware about this Answer This IO. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.